Here.
What are those?
Buddy, look.
What are those?
Can you take it? Set it on the floor and open them.
Dallin, what are those?
Look at Mommy.
New shoes.
New shoes?
Yeah.
Here, let Daddy help right here. Open this. Right there. Whoa, buddy.
Bye.
What color are they?
Oh.
Very good, they are
Can we put them
brown.
on you real fast?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's got new good stick-em Velcro.
Unlike your quitter that you had before.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at there. Yeah, those are great. Can you
Dallin,
Great.
what do you got on your feet?
Socks.
And what else?
Shoes.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you stand up and show them to Mom?
Show me how fast you can run in them.
Okay, go run. Oh, down there.
Oh, you have to run the other way.
To the door.
Show me how fast you can run. I know, avoid all your train mess. Oh, run back. Good.